This Wuuk 2K security camera's wireless outdoor system is a comprehensive and versatile home security solution that promises to enhance the safety and security of your property. This review delves into the key features, performance, and overall value of the Wuuk 2Cams kit, which comes equipped with a home base supporting up to 8 cameras, 240 days of battery life, AI humanoid alerts, and compatibility with smart home systems like Alexa, Google Home, and IFTTT. Moreover, it offers the significant advantage of no monthly fees, making it a cost-effective choice for homeowners. Key features. 1. Long battery life. One of the standout features of the Wuuk 2K security cameras is its impressive battery life. Each camera is equipped with a 9600 mAh high-capacity battery that can last up to 240 days on a single charge. This means you won't need to worry about frequent recharging, and if you pair the cameras with Wuuk's solar panels sold separately, you can virtually eliminate the need to manually recharge them altogether. 2. No monthly fee. Unlike many other security camera systems that require a subscription for full functionality, the Wuuk system allows you to enjoy all its features without any monthly fees. The base station provides 32 GB of local storage, which can store up to 365 days of video recordings. All data is encrypted and stored locally, ensuring that your footage is secure and only accessible to you. 3. 2K clearer video. The Wuuk security cameras deliver 2K resolution video, which is a 65% improvement over standard 1080p cameras. This higher resolution ensures that you capture clear and detailed footage, allowing you to see every important detail on your property. With a 135-degree wider viewing angle and 10x digital zoom, these cameras provide extensive coverage. Additionally, the integrated spotlight and color night vision ensure that you can see even in low light conditions. 4. Smart home compatibility. The Wuuk cameras are designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing smart home setup. They are compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and IFTTT, allowing you to control the cameras using voice commands and view live feeds on your smart displays. This compatibility enhances the convenience and usability of the system, making it easy to monitor your home from anywhere. 5. Expandable system. The Wuuk system is highly scalable, allowing you to build a comprehensive home security network. The home base can support up to 8 wireless cameras, giving you the flexibility to expand your coverage as needed. The cameras connect to the home base via a home Wi-Fi router using an Ethernet cable, ensuring a stable and reliable connection regardless of whether you use a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network. 6. AI humanoid alerts. The Wuuk cameras come equipped with advanced AI humanoid detection, which helps to reduce false alerts by distinguishing between human activity and other motions. This ensures that you receive accurate notifications when there is a potential security threat, allowing you to respond promptly and effectively. In terms of performance, the Wuuk 2K security cameras deliver on their promises. The 2K resolution provides sharp and clear images, and the wide viewing angle ensures that you can monitor large areas with minimal blind spots. The color night vision and integrated spotlight further enhance visibility in low light conditions, making it easier to identify individuals and objects at night. The battery life is another highlight, as the 9600 mAh battery truly lives up to its claim of lasting up to 240 days on a single charge. This long battery life reduces the need for frequent maintenance and ensures that your cameras remain operational for extended periods. The AI humanoid detection is effective in minimizing false alarms, which is a common issue with many security cameras. By focusing on human activity, the Wuuk system provides more relevant and actionable alerts, improving the overall security of your property. The Wuuk security cameras are designed with user-friendliness in mind. The installation process is straightforward, and the cameras can be easily mounted in various locations around your home. The Wuuk app provides a user-friendly interface for managing the cameras, viewing live feeds, and accessing recorded footage. The integration with smart home systems like Alexa and Google Home adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to control the cameras using voice commands. The compatibility with IFTTT also opens up possibilities for creating custom automation routines, further enhancing the usability of the system. One of the most appealing aspects of the Wuuk 2K security camera's wireless outdoor system is its value for money. The lack of monthly fees is a significant advantage, as it allows you to enjoy all the features without incurring additional costs. The local storage provided by the home base is sufficient for most users, and the encryption ensures that your data remains secure. The long battery life, high-resolution video, smart home compatibility, and expandable system make the Wuuk cameras a comprehensive and cost-effective solution for home security. Whether you are looking to secure a small property or a larger home, the Wuuk system offers the flexibility and features needed to meet your requirements. Conclusion: the Wuuk 2K security camera's wireless outdoor system is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to enhance their security without incurring ongoing costs. With its impressive battery life, high-resolution video, smart home compatibility, and expandable design, it provides a comprehensive and reliable solution for monitoring your property. The no monthly fee feature, coupled with local storage and advanced AI detection, makes it a cost-effective and efficient security system. Whether you are concerned about intruders or package theft, or simply want to keep an eye on your home while you are away, the Wuuk 2K security cameras offer the performance, convenience, and value needed to ensure peace of mind. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more in-depth reviews.